Chase, what are you watching? The Warriors? You watching the Warriors? Huh? You like basketball? You like basketball? What do you do when the Warriors score? Ah! Go. Yeah, like that. Ah! Cheese. Can you say baby? See? Can you say baby? Can you say baby? Baby? See? It's a commercial right now, Chasey. Who's gonna win? Warriors! Ah! What do you say? Ah! Bye-bye. No, you have to say daddy now. No more dada. Daddy. Good job. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.